Hi and welcome back to Uotilagarage. This week's project is kind of a concept. My brother is in the sneaker business and he asked me if I could make some kind of showcase thingamadoodah for the sneakers, and I have some kind of idea for it, but it's basically winging it. I have this 15 by 15 millimeter square tube, and I was thinking that I could make some kind of stand and the sneakers could go like this, and the stand could be stackable, so if he wants more of those, he can stack them in top of each other, and all the sneakers would be shown. So let's do something. So this is the hard part now. In which angle do we put the shoes? I think this looks kind of good. Is it too steep? How about this? Yeah, I like it. What do you think? Yeah, I think we call that good. We just got this piece in the middle and stack them here and weld. Yeah. Now that part is sorted, I think I got this. This is some kind of a wire feeding thing. I was thinking I could cut this off and make this the part that hangs the shoes. I came up with some kind of plan for the base. I have this aluminium stock. It's 30 millimeters wide and 5 millimeters thick. These are 20 centimeters long pieces, and I think if I like a lap joint these and drill a hole through and put the stand on top. That was the idea. Let's try it.
One eternity later.
Yeah, I welded a nut on the bottom of this, and these go like this through, and then you screw this on. Like this. I'm gonna put some pads under these, then it's gonna be straight, I hope. Let's test with my stinky feet. Yeah, I like it. All is left to do now is to clean it, and I have to ask my brother which color does he want it.